rhythm lesson number 1. I want to start out by clapping the rhythm of a song for you and try to guess what it is. If you've guessed, it's the national anthem, the Star Spangled Banner. You're absolutely right. Wow, how were you able to recognize it? I didn't sing, I didn't offer any pitch. I didn't go so we could argue that rhythm is very important. If I had done sure if it's any more recognizable than when I clap the rhythm. In order to talk about rhythm, we got to talk about beat. So what beat is a constant pulse for any piece of music. So I want to practice that by turning on my metronome and trying to keep it, and then shutting the volume off and turning it back on, and see if I can possibly keep the same pulse. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think I did an okay job of it. Okay, notice I didn't go 1, 1, 1, 1. The reason is we like organizations, and composers love that. So things are either in 2 or in 3 or in 4. I mean, sometimes we get irregular meters, but usually they're in 2 or 3 or 4. In fact, if you can just tell the difference between duple and triple, that's good enough. Because the 4, the quadruple, is just 2 sets of 2s added together. Okay, I want to introduce some conducting patterns because it helps us understand the music when we're just listening to a piece of music. And it definitely helps knowing what the patterns are when we're trying to watch conductors like you. So, first one I want to introduce is 2. It's a backwards J. So you go to the right and back up, to the right and back to the top. We're just going to use the ring, ring, go away as an example. Ring, ring, go away. Da, da, dee, da, da, dee. One of the pieces that we're currently singing is in 2. So, da, da, dee, da, dee, da, da, dum, bum, bum. Da, da, dee, da, dee, da, 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 dum. Okay, so I think I should use the first melody you sing. So 1, 2, da dum ba da dum ba da dum da dum ba da dum ba. Okay, so that's that one. And then we're going to move on to 3. So it's down and then to the right and back to up. Down to the right and back up. Down to the right and back up. So my country taste of D is da 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 dee, da 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 da. That's 3. So one of the pieces that we're currently singing, dee da 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 dee da da dee dee dum. Okay, then I want to talk about 4. I'm just going to use Beethoven's Ode to Joy. Down to the left, to the right, and back up. Down to the left, to the right, and back up. Da dum ba da dum ba dee dum ba da dum da da da. Okay, and then another piece that we're singing goes. So that's in 4 time. Then I think it's time for me to talk about tempo and upbeat. I'm going to start with tempo. Tempo is basically how fast or slow a piece goes. If to start a Bengal band, I start because it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then it's fast tempo. Then if it was done then it's done at a slow tempo. I want to talk about upbeat because these examples that I've been using, a lot of them start upbeat. You're like, what is that? Okay, now just for the small bit of stuff that happens before a downbeat. What a downbeat is the part of the measure, the tiny box that we see, that gets the most amount of emphasis. So like, happy birthday, da da bottom bottom. So the da da, it's the upbeat part. And yeah, I think that's all I covered in the first mini rhythm lesson. And I hope this provides a good review. Thank you.